Assalamualaikum and good day, miss. My name is AIMAN ZAFRIE from class 3C. Today, I will be presenting on air transportation in Netherlands. Air transportation play a very important role in the economic country and transport system. The Netherlands is known as a global trade gateway and tourism hub, with Amsterdam Schiphol Airport being one of the busiest airports in Europe. This system supports passenger travel, cargo logistics, and business activity, and international connectivity. I will explain the background, characteristic, advantage, disadvantage, infrastructure, policy, issue, a case study, recommendation, and conclude the presentation. Background: air transportation in Netherlands began developing in early 20th century, mainly for mail service, passenger travel, and trade. Due to its strategic location in Europe, the country became an important link between neighboring countries and overseas market. During and after World War II, air transport became even more important for economic recovery, leading to the expansion of airport for both military and commercial use. Over time, raising tourism, business, travel, and international trade helped establish Amsterdam Schiphol Airport as a major European aviation characteristic of air transportation. The Dutch air transportation system is highly connect and efficient. Schiphol Airport connect to over 300 international destinations and operate as a hub and spoke system for KLM. Advanced technology such as automatic baggage handling, biometric boarding, and digital system improve passenger experience. Schiphol also handle both passenger and cargo operation and is well integrated with other transport modes like train, bus, taxi, and road network. So now I will explain about advantage in air transportation on Netherlands. So first is major advantage of air transportation in Netherlands is speed. Passenger can reach global destination within hour, which is not possible using road or rail transport. Secondly, strong international connectivity support tourism and business travel. Air transportation also play a vital role in cargo movement, especially for perishable goods, electronic, and medical supply. Advanced airport technology improve safety, efficiency, and reliability. So now, let's talk about disadvantage. Despite its benefit, air transportation has several disadvantages. Firstly is high operational costs for fuel, maintenance, staff, and infrastructure often result in higher ticket price. So second is environmental issues such as carbon emission and noise pollution affect nearby communities. Third is airport congestion during peak period cause delay, long queue, and baggage issue. Lastly, the biggest disadvantage is weather condition and operational disruption also impact flight schedule. Now, let's talk about infrastructure and network. So, Amsterdam Schiphol Airport is the main international gateway of the Netherlands and is operated by the Schiphol Group. It has 6 runways and multiple terminals and handled over 71 million passengers annually before the pandemic. Secondary airports such as Rotterdam, The Hague, Eindhoven, and Maastricht-Achen support regional flight, low-cost carriers and cargo operation. So, air traffic control is managed by LVNL, ensuring safe and efficient flight movement. Supporting infrastructure include cargo center, logistic hub, and MRO facilities operate by companies like KLM, engineering, and maintenance. So now let's talk about policy in air transportation. The Netherlands follows strict aviation policy to ensure safety and sustainability. The country complies with European Union Aviation Safety Agency or EASA regulation. Firstly is the Ministry of Infrastructure and Water Management oversee aviation planning and development. Second, Siful use a slot allocation system to manage congestion. Thirdly is environmental policy include noise restriction, night flight limit, compliance with the EU emission trading system, and promotion of sustainability aviation fuel to reduce environmental impact. So now let's talk about the issue in air transportation. Firstly, major issue include airport congestion, especially at Schiphol, which lead to long queue and delay. Second, labour shortage among security and ground staff reduce operational efficiency. Thirdly is environmental and noise concern have led to discussion on limiting flight number. Lastly, airline and airport must also invest heavily in the cleanest technology to meet carbon emission regulation. Now, let's talk about stakeholders. Many stakeholders are involved in Dutch air transportation. The government regulates safety and environmental standards. Schiphol Group manage airport operation, while LVNL control air traffic. Airlines such as KLM and Transavia provide passenger and cargo service. So, passenger local, communities, environmental group, and logistic company also play important roles in shaping aviation policy and sustainability efforts. So now I want to talk about case study. Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Schiphol Airport serves as the home base for KLM and support millions of passengers and large cargo volume each year. It's connect to over 300 destinations and operates advanced passenger and cargo facilities. However, Schiphol face challenges such as congestion, labour shortage, environmental restriction, and weather disruption. Cooperation among stakeholders is essential to ensure safe, efficient, and sustainability operation. So now I want to talk about recommendation. So to improve the system, continue investment in technology, better workforce planning, and sustainability aviation fuel is necessary. Improving airport efficiency and balancing growth with environmental responsibility will help maintain the Netherlands' position as a leading aviation hub. So now, lastly, I will talk about conclusion. In conclusion, air transportation is vital to the Netherlands economy and connectivity, while Schiphol and other airports provide strong global link. Challenges such as congestion, and environmental impact must be carefully managed. With sustainable practice and strong stakeholder cooperation, the Netherlands can continue to grow its aviation sector responsibly.